Good morning, everyone. We are here today at 20 Seashore Drive out in Pensacola Beach, Florida. If you are familiar with the area, your neighbor is going to be the Portofino Resort. So I can't wait to take you guys inside today. Starting outside, obviously, you do have a nice horseshoe driveway, which I will show you guys from this viewpoint. So here we go. Nice horseshoe driveway in the front, so you can get some good parking in done here, as well as a side entrance 2-car garage there. So there you go. Lots of parking space in this side driveway as well. So you are not short of car spots. But let's go ahead and take you guys inside. So this home is in the Seashore Village, right next to the Portofino, like I had mentioned. And you've got 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and just over 3,700 square feet. So you are not short of space by any means, whether you have a large family or you're looking to go short-term rental market. You've got exactly what you need and will be equipped for success. So here we are upon entry, and I definitely want to show you guys the accent wall on the elevator shaft here, as well as the light fixtures. You can see you've got high ceilings up to the 2nd story as soon as you walk in, so immediate, you get nice spacious feel. It is tiled floors in here, and then glass accents as well, so you can see on the staircase that glass accent going up, and then you'll also have it on the balcony right there. And then same thing with the wood sliding doors and barn doors. Same concept throughout, so you really get a nice uniform look throughout this home, so I can't wait to show it to you guys today. So starting from the left of the front door, we're going to go into our first of 5 bedrooms. The flooring in here is going to be a wood look tile, so it makes for a really nice and easy cleanup. And then you also have, to the left right there is your closet, and then to the right, this door leads you into our first full bathroom. So a little storage area to my right, and then you've got a single vanity here, or a single sink there, standalone, with the commode. And then really nice sliding glass doors into the shower here. So the shower is going to be fully tiled, and then check out all of the nozzle settings and water settings that you get in here. So extremely nice shower in our first bedroom. Then we'll slide out and we start from the beginning. Perfect. All right, so continuing on through, this first door that we approach is going to be the elevator door. So let's open that up so you can guys get a look. So there we are. That's going to be your elevator sliding door, and then you'll walk in and close. This door here is going to lead you down to the garage. And down there, tons and tons of space, whether you want to make that a livable, converted garage area. You do have a half bathroom downstairs in the garage. So water does flow down there if you want to put a bar in, or a coffee bar, outdoor shower, all that fun stuff. So really good setup garage. And then here we are in one of my favorite rooms of the house here. You've got this gorgeous kitchen. Now, throughout this open concept floor plan, you got these gorgeous doors and windows that lead to the outside. So tons of natural light just flow through. But let's go ahead and get into the detail of the kitchen here. So you can see we've got the wrought iron hardware on those cabinets. You've got the stainless steel appliances, double door fridge, water dispenser, ice maker, pull out bottom drawer freezer. I love a wall oven and that built-in microwave. It just allows for so much more counter space and undermount storage. So there you are here. I'm pretty sure this is it's either a wine cooler or nope, ice maker. So there we go, industrialized ice maker. You've got those built-ins above, which I think are a nice touch. Again, additional storage. Beautiful window here, undermount sink. And then there's that dishwasher. So I really just love that the backsplash and the countertops, they are matching. So this home, like I said, all about uniformity. And then you even have the quartz water falling over the edge of either side of the island. There we are. And then, of course, important to mention, your stovetop is actually on the island here. I think this is actually a pretty neat concept that you see in a few homes now, but it allows you to kind of cook and entertain at the same time so that your back isn't to your guests. Some people love it, some people could be indifferent. And then you also have a door leading outside to your wraparound balcony porch, and then stairs that go down to the garage outdoor area. So I'll take you guys out on a balcony here shortly, but I want to wrap up this floor first. So here they have designated this space as kind of a formal dining area. You do have that large island as a breakfast bar, and in all honesty, you could probably sit about 4 or 5 comfortably there. But here we are. They've got their formal dining here, and then just take a look at this living space, guys. You've got different mediums on the walls to really accent one another texturally. So same sort of stone detailing that was on the elevator shaft. You've got your electric fireplace that runs through, and then this gorgeous live edge wood accent seat. And then here we are, large TV, entertainment area. And then the black ash tile just makes for cozy yet elevated, sophisticated here. Show you guys a different viewpoint. So again, like I said, so much natural light from the doors and windows that lead to the outside. So here we are, another balcony point. This one's actually going to look out above the garage, so it is not a wraparound there. You just get a small little outlook, which I like. You could absolutely make that a cozy little coffee spot in the morning and just be a little bit more secluded from the main wraparound balcony. So here's that barn door that we saw once we walked through the front door, and there's another barn door that will close this room off from the main living space. But right now this is being used as an at-home office. Obviously it is a flex space in here, so you can make this whatever your heart desires. You've only got window access in here, no balcony access, so just windows. But this room could be gorgeous for at-home library, a coffee reading room, a formal den, truly whatever your heart desires. But yeah, that is going to be a flex space for you. All right, so we'll go ahead and take you guys upstairs, coming out on the other side of that office. Okay, heading upstairs, we're going to go to the left first. This is going to be our first bedroom on the second floor. So here you do have access out to the balcony through these doors here. I'll give you guys a sneak peek in just a second. And then that smaller door right to the right of the bed is going to be your closet. So this is going to be the balcony here. How beautiful. And there is another bedroom down there that will have access to this as well. But there you go. We can give you some of those beautiful water views. That's actually going to be the sound. Let me see if I can peek over and get you guys the Gulf. Nope, I'll have to wait till the master bedroom, but let's get back inside. Okay. All right, continuing on. So this is where the elevator releases on the second floor. And then now for the primary suite here. So let me close the bathroom door just so you can really see upon entry what we're working with. Look at the ceilings here, that nice tray ceiling. I love that accent. It just heightens the room, obviously, and allows for more light to really catch throughout. Stunning windows and your own private balcony. So you are gonna have luxury vinyl flooring in here. These are true vinyl, it's not wood look tile, but these are, I think the colors just accent themselves very nicely. Okay, let's take you guys outside to show you your view. Whoops, there we go. Your view from your private patio balcony. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but right in between those two houses, that is where the Gulf is at. So you do get some nice Gulf views. Honestly, if I were you, I would be putting a little sectional out here, some chairs so that you can come enjoy some sunshine in the mornings or afternoons. Maybe midday if we're in winter, but summer, I'd be staying in the AC or on the beach for sure. Okay, we'll go through so you can see the primary bathroom. So we do move to tiled floors in here. I love the tile, the color change. You are actually going to have your laundry in the primary bathroom. So that is important to note. Here we've got a double vanity situation here. Nice lighting up above. Very interesting light fixtures, so it kind of amps things up a little bit. And then you've got a standalone walk-in shower. That is going to be the same shower head as the one we saw downstairs. So lots of different nozzles and water flow to play around with. And of course the shower is tiled. And then here, my favorite spot, you get a gorgeous standalone tub. And then these windows obviously are frosted for privacy, but still letting in beautiful, beautiful light. There's gonna be your commode, so you do get a privacy wall, and then through here is going to be a massive walk-in closet. So everything all in one spot here. One more look before I take you guys to the next room. Perfect. All right, so the same LVP that was in the master is also going to be throughout the hallway and in all the bedrooms upstairs. So we do get a nice change here. This is going to be our 4th bedroom. Yes, so you get a more simple closet here with the 2 pull doors. You still get a lovely window display here to let in that light. I'll check that view. You actually get a gorgeous view right there. The fog is starting to come in slightly, but you can still see the water through there and all those palm trees. I love it. So again, smaller room, but still nonetheless, you have all your necessities. And then into our 3rd and final full bathroom. This one is obviously going to be shared with the 2 bedrooms that are up here. So single vanity. I love that quartz that they picked out. Get some nice unique lighting, and then this one is going to have a tub shower duo. It's going to be a built-in, and same thing, tile in the bathrooms. All right, our final bedroom here, balcony access. So this is the other side of the balcony that we walked into for the 1st bedroom upstairs. You do get a nice closet. I do believe that's a walk-in closet. And then yeah, let's see if we can take you guys outside. So there we are coming out of the other side there. Obviously your view is of the front yard here, that horseshoe driveway, but you can still get some gorgeous water views in between those homes there. Yes. Again, this is 20 Seashore Drive out on Pensacola Beach. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and you get just over 3,700 square feet. So I'll take you guys back downstairs. And let's see, I want to show y'all the porch situation on the 1st level. So we'll go through the door in the kitchen here. All right. So this staircase from the kitchen is going to lead you down to the garage as well as your quote backyard. I mean, it is sand, you don't have any grass here, but still nonetheless a backyard. And then you can see that this access wraps all the way around to your front door here. Now, cool part about this is that you do have a latch access here, okay? So I love this for guests or visitors. If they don't want to come through the front door, you can send them through this way. Or if you do have children, pets, or you just want to have people out on the balcony but not have access inside or to the street, you can keep them on this porch, and then they'll be able to go down into the fenced-in yard and then back up here. So we'll actually take you guys back down to get one more good view of the front of the house. All right, you guys. 20 Seashore Drive, Pensacola Beach, Florida. 3 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And we would love for you to make this your new spot.